there were two kinds of music in our house. Regular classical music of Western civilization and Yiddish music. My dad loved music. He and his brothers actually had a little amateur band in Brooklyn when they were all living together in Brooklyn. My father and my Uncle Jack played the saxophone, and one of them played the drums, and one of them played the piano and that sort of stuff. And they used to volunteer to play at people's bar mitzvahs and stuff. They never charged. They were a very musical family. There were cantors also. I was remembering this on my father's side, on my father's maternal side. There was a tradition of cantorial participation. And so when I was growing up in Detroit, my father loved classical music, and he took me to concerts and symphonies. But also, there was all of the Yiddish songs associated with the holidays. So there were Hanukkah songs, Hanukkah, Hanukkah, Yom Tov, that sort of stuff. And there were Passover songs and Purim songs. And so that was always part of it. And my father loved a particular Yiddish singer named Sidor Belarsky. And if you haven't heard anything by Belarsky, you ought to listen to Belarsky. It's this wonderful, resonant, basso profundo kind of. He actually sang at the Met too. I discovered he sang one particular role in Beethoven's Fidelio, and I think I have a recording somewhere with Belarsky singing Rocco the Jailer. I don't remember exactly what it is. So the music in our house was the music of the holidays. And often the Arbitering School, Working Circle School, would put out a little sort of pamphlet with all the Yiddish songs in them, Pesach songs and Purim songs and Hanukkah songs. If I could get my hands on one of those pamphlets, I'd love it, because all the words are there. They're all in Yiddish. And we used to sing all those songs when we had the family Seder. My brother and I would get out, we'd break out these booklets, and we'd sing and sing and sing and sing. All in Yiddish, a lot of fun. And when my brother and I, he lives in Florida now, but when we ever had the opportunity to be together at a holiday, he and I always end up singing the old songs from the Arbitering songbooks.